Welcome to our channel Technical Innovations. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to use Adobe Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop installed on your computer, you can still use it online. Let's begin. Open any browser and search URL photob.com. The site displays a screen of Photoshop. You can edit all your images just like in Photoshop. All Photoshop's commands and shortcuts can be used here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel Technical Innovations for more videos. To get latest updates from our channel, press the bell icon.